ladies and gentlemen, welcome to JesusCookz. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy, amazing fire dish. Fire because it's kind of spicy, and that's chile con papas, or chile with potatoes. So let's see what kind of ingredients we need. Alright, so we're going to need 2 tomatoes, 3 jalapenos. The more jalapenos you add, the spicier it's going to be. Or you can just use more tomatoes, it's really up to you. And also it depends how many potatoes you want to use. I'm going to use 2, but with this, these are already washed and ready to go. We're actually going to throw these over here. Alright, so we have our cazuela over here, skillet, however you pronounce that thing. I don't even know how you say it in English, but we have our cazuela. It's already hot to the touch. And you want to have this aluminum foil so then you know you don't get your pan thing all dirty, because this will release juices and it'll just create a mess. I'm gonna let these sizzle here and let them chill for a couple, probably like 10 minutes. Got it on medium heat and let those sit there. But in the meantime, we're gonna cut up these potatoes. Whoa. Alright, so here we get 2 potatoes. I like to keep the potato skin on because it just tastes fire. And we're just gonna cut these bad boys up. Alright, now back here to the stove, we got this going. It's pretty hot, got on like medium heat. I'm gonna use olive oil. And I just eyeball this, I don't do no measurements. Throw in this potato. Turn it up a little bit so we can get this bad boy going. Turn it up to 6. Alright. And then over here, this is still going, as you can see. Got a nice little burn on the side. And this is basically what we want all around the entire tomato and jalapeno. Just want to be nice and burnt. Alright, now we're gonna season the potatoes. For that, I like to use sea salt. And also some black pepper. Oh yeah. Also got a little bit of onion powder. You could also throw in onions, but I was too lazy to cut up onions, so onion powder will do. Then we also got some garlic powder. Same situation. Too lazy to cut it up, use a powder. Mix it all up. Oh man. Isn't that sizzle, boy? Alright, let's check up on this. Potatoes are pretty much almost done. Turn down the heat to like 4. Turn a little bit longer. Alright folks, so these are pretty much done, so we're going to turn down the heat because we're going to need it still on for tortillas later, because you know it's not a complete meal without tortillas. We're going to take this out, let it chill on the side for a bit. Alright, so this next step, we're going to remove this burnt stuff. It's a little hot. It's a little hot, so be careful. Now you could probably leave this on there for a little bit longer, but I'm pretty dang hungry. I'm going to throw this into this little cup, which we're going to use to blend. Hey, 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 cabrón. Same thing with jalapenos. Oh, this one's extra crispy. Yeah. We're going to cut this up so it blends nicely. Now you actually want to let this chill for a little bit, because if you like throw it in when it's super hot and blend it, it's gonna like blow up in your face when you open it back up. So watch out for that. And just to cool it down a tiny bit, we're gonna throw in some cold water. Not too much, but just enough. The key for this kind of chile is we don't want to blend it too much. Kind of want to leave it a little bit chunky. And we're just going to do little sporadic bursts of blending. Kind of like that. Don't want it too saucy. You can see it's pretty chunky. It smells so good. Alright, next we're gonna throw in some salt in this bad boy. Alright. Now we're gonna take it over here into our potatoes. Woohoo! Just gonna throw that in there. Oh man. Oh snap, giant chunk of tomato. But it's okay. I don't mind the chunk. Alright, so we got that. And I'm not too sure if the salsa is actually ready, the chile or whatever. So I'm just gonna throw a little bit more salt. Mix it around town, mix it around town. Oh man, that looks so fire. It smells fire. And now we're gonna turn up the heat a little bit to like 4, let it simmer and absorb them juices. Ooh, look at that steam. Got it sizzling. It's pretty much ready. Turn it down, turn it off, I mean. See how this freaking lid. I've used the corn tortillas. Throws over here on this cazuela. Last 2. So we're gonna serve it up, serve it up. Oh man. Oh man, oh yeah. That's okay, we got our plate. Now let's wait for these tortillas and head over to the table. Guys, look at this plate. Oh my goodness. It looks so fire. Can't wait to eat. Alright, here we are. Let's see how this tastes. Who needs utensils when you got tortillas? Oh man, first bite, first bite. Unbelievably delicious. Now I'm about to devour the rest of this plate. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are gonna attempt this recipe. Drop a like, comment, share, subscribe for more art/cooking here now and then. Till next time, y'all. Take it easy, keep eating. Peace and love. I'm out.